This is worksheet 29.1. Number 1 and 2, we have some right triangles, and we're going to determine whether each equation should be solved using sine, cosine, or tangent. So, quick reminder about sine, cosine, and tangent. The acronym SOHCAHTOA helps us remember what two sides of the triangle the sine ratio is, the cosine ratio is, and the tangent ratio is. So we have O representing the opposite side of the triangle, H represents the hypotenuse, and A represents the adjacent side. So in order to determine which side is which, given a triangle, so on number 1, first look at where the angle is. Here we have an 80-degree angle. The right angle, which will always be also provided, if you just kind of make an arrow using the right angle, that will always point towards the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is across from the right angle. Then the remaining two sides are the opposite and adjacent sides. The angle consists of these two sides of the triangle. The side that is part of the angle is considered the adjacent side, and the side that is not part of the angle is the opposite side. So if we were going to solve for x in this triangle, we have the opposite side given, and we're trying to find the adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent, here in SOHCAHTOA, that points to the tangent function. Similarly, on number 2, if we look at this right triangle, the right angle is pointing to the hypotenuse. The other sides of our triangle here, we have this angle. The side that's part of the angle is the adjacent side, and this remaining side is the opposite side. So looking at this triangle, if we're solving for x, we have this adjacent side and we have the hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse shows us that it's the cosine function.